Good day, Mrs. Agnes. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Agnes Mundud, 27 years old, high school graduate. I'm single mother. I have one kid. She's 8 years old. I've been working in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 4 months, finished contract. My duties and responsibilities are to take care of the kids, ironing, washing clothes, and housekeeping.
How do you overcome your homesickness?
I will focus to myself and I will make myself busy.
If you committed mistake in your employer, what will you do?
Mom and Sir, I will say sorry sincerely.
If you are holiday or day off, what will you do before you go out from your employer's house?
I will make sure the house is clean.
What if the mother of your employer doesn't speak English? How did you communicate with them?
I will do my best to learn your language, and as for now, I will use sign language.
You have last message to your future employer. Can you tell them now?
Mom and Sir, hope you choose me as your helper because I have experience, I'm hardworking and polite, loyal, and can work minimum supervision. Thank you, Mom and Sir.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Agnes. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.